guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited. I am bringing you yet another contact lens haul. This is by my favorite brand that is pretty much my go-to brand. Sometimes you see other brands on my channel. Some of the times in my videos you'll see that a lot of the contacts I'm reviewing I have paid for myself, but Primal Contacts was kind enough to send me a ton, guys, and some of these are my absolute favorite that I've been eyeballing on the website and contemplating putting in an order for. So thank you, Primal Contact Lenses. This is my tried and true brand that I go to. They do have prescription versions of pretty much all their contacts. A lot of their Halloween costumes, they do have prescription, and I think all of their colored ones. And it will be labeled on the side, the name and actually what that prescription number is for it. So you can get prescription lenses. So a couple things about contacts. One, always make sure that you are going to an eye physician, guys. Even if the website does not require prescription, which a lot of these that are international don't, you need to be making sure that they are reputable sources, and you need to be making sure that your eyes are healthy for contacts, and you cannot determine that without going to an actual professional who can make sure that your eyes are healthy. They do have warnings of who should not be wearing them, the amount of time that you should be wearing them, and again, discuss this with your doctor, because a company that's selling contacts can only really tell you so much. Your doctor is going to know what's going on with your eyes in particular and what's going to work for you. So please go to the eye doctor. You only have to do it once a year. It's not super expensive. You can do it for like 30 bucks at a Walmart, and then you know if you have a prescription or non-prescription. You know the size of your eye, if you're getting like really custom lenses or anything really expensive. You know the curvature, you know the health, you know all of these things. It is so worth the $30, you guys. Please take care of your eyes. I don't know if you can actually read it, but that's okay. I'm going to show you. This sheet is going to tell you the information about the care and the information of who should not be wearing these when, and just information about the contacts themselves. The other side is going to show you instructions on how to put them in and take them out. Absolutely be talking to your eye care physician about proper contact lens care, because you guys, you need to keep these as clean as possible. Always work with clean hands. Make sure that you're washing them before and after. You guys, you need to wash and rinse your contacts every time and be putting them in new solution. Another great thing about Primal lenses is they come with their own little custom cases, and I do actually love these cases because one side is transparent so you can see it. But what have I always actually done when I purchase them myself? Here on the side, it will actually show you the name, and the label is kind of sticky. Oh, we can't hide anything on the skin this close, can we? Oh well. This is the name. This is Acid 2 for this brand. Funny enough, the side of the labels container right here has a very flat surface across this bottom. This label actually peels right off of the box, so you can actually cut around that lettering and the information, and you can stick it down perfectly on the side of this, and all of these will actually stick into each other. These are stackable lens cases, and they will actually click into place when they're not in the packaging, and you can actually read what each contact lens is and still be able to see it in the side that's transparent. That's just a fun little storage tip. Personally, I actually don't store mine that way anymore, but I'll show you a little clip of where things are hanging right now. And when I buy those cases, it's an entire bag this big, but it's 20 pieces of these. And you guys, these are my favorite contact lens cases. I love this because how it actually works is you have the two different sides that hold your lenses in it, and you're just able to rinse them really clean with this without them being in your hands. One side has a heart on it, the other side has an R for right. So it's really easy to see, and I love being able to put them in here, kind of shake them up, keep them clean. I always use this as my favorite, really inexpensive lens cleaner. I make sure to rub and scrub my lenses after every single use because I always have so much paint, eyeshadows, glitters. There's so much stuff in my eyes, guys, when I'm filming, and I'm amazed to this day that I can even see the camera at the end of a transformation, much less that I haven't just blinked myself to death. You can see the boxes start with the information here on the side. The label is actually perforated here, so if you peel it up, it actually peels off perfectly and tears, and this is so sticky still, so you can actually take your container and you can actually just stick it right on the front. It'll have the name of the contact style itself, and whatever the strength of it is if you do have a prescription. So you can see it just sticks right on the container. It is nice and smooth. It does have a kind of a rubbery or plasticky front to it, so it's not going to get easily damaged by water. It's not going to like peel up or anything like that. So you can see it sticks right on your labels, and now I'll know which one this is. Make sure you are keeping them clean, because you guys, this is your eyes. This is the most important part of your body. It is a very wet area, so bacteria will grow very quickly if you scratch your eye, if you damage your eye, if you put bacteria in your eye. Now, if you put the contact lens in and it feels uncomfortable and you're having to blink, there's probably something under your lens, or the lens is damaged, or the lens is flipped inside out. You need to be checking for all of these things. These are things that you need to be discussing with your doctor, and make sure that you're doing them cleanly. I actually have a bunch of these little kits that have this little rubberized tip on these tweezers to actually be able to take my lenses in and out, so I don't have to always touch my skin here and be pulling down so much when I'm in the middle of a transformation and already have like paint and liners on my eyes if I haven't put them in when I started. And what's great, it's got this little suction cup like stick. You can actually set it on here just like you would your fingertip to be able to place the contact in your eye. I'm done ranting. I'm gonna go ahead, start popping them in, because you guys, I am so crazy excited. I can barely even contain myself right now, so let's go ahead and do this. So I'll pop the lens into this eye first so you can see what it is next to natural, and then both in. Yeah, let's go ahead and do this. I'm too excited. Okay, so that is it for the natural color enhancing lenses. We're gonna go ahead and start on to the fun stuff, the Halloween contact lenses. You know, I can't be the only one that every single time I was watching a creature movie or a weird character growing up that I try to like replicate their sounds and stuff, it just makes me want to just run around my house doing the predator click, which it took me forever to learn when I was a kid. I feel like whenever I go on a date, I should just send somebody straight to my YouTube and be like, hey, how do you feel about waking up next to this? At least I'm upfront about it. That's normal, right? I mean, who didn't watch Jurassic Park and try to sound like a velociraptor? I'm not doing the velociraptor. I do see that it is rotating as much as I can see. Look at that. So I don't believe these are weighted. Something to take into account if you're actually going to like a Comic-Con or something where you can't actually see in the mirror to rotate it back. This one doesn't seem to be doing too much, but this one is just going wonky, so something to keep in mind. Fun fact, way back in the day, women used to put little drops of belladonna in their eyes to actually dilate their pupils to give them the illusion of being in love. Apparently, the look of just absolute serial killer, this was the desired look way back in the day. Belladonna will kill you, but I mean, we die for beauty anyways, right? I mean, I guess. So, not much has changed. So that's all I have for the contacts for today's haul. That was 11 of them, I think, total. I don't know, I kind of lost track of like halfway through, but that is all I have today for Primal Contacts. Thank you again for watching, and as always, thank you so much for selecting one of my videos. I know you have a huge selection of videos on YouTube here to choose from, and I am just crazy grateful each and every single time that you choose to watch one of mine. See you guys next time.